Hello, friends. Welcome to this new video where we'll explore 3 different ways to prune your tomato plants based on the varieties for a successful harvest. This video is an excerpt from the comprehensive guide on tomato cultivation that you can find on my channel. I'll provide the link in the video description. I hope you enjoy the video and, more importantly, find it helpful. If that's the case and you'd like more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and leave a comment. Thanks in advance. Happy watching. Method 1. Pruning to a single stem. Pruning to a single stem is the most well-known and widely practiced method. 1. Trim the suckers as they appear at the leaf axils. 2. Allow about 5 or 6 floral clusters to form. This depends on the varieties and climate. For example, you can go up to 8 clusters for the black Prune variety, until October and even later in the Mediterranean region. 3. Finally, trim the stem above the last floral cluster that you believe will mature, generally the 6th. There's no need to let the last flowers develop into fruits that won't ripen, as they will deplete the plant and delay the ripening of previous fruits. Variation 1. Pruning on a single stem with 2 generations of 3 floral clusters. First generation. Cut the stem above the 3rd floral cluster. Remove the suckers except for the one located at the leaf node just below the last cluster. This sucker will provide the extension of the stem. Second generation. Pinch the suckers from the new extension, and cut above the leaf located just after the 6th floral cluster. The subsequent flowers do not ripen well in our climates. Variant 2. Pruning on one stem in 3 generations of 2 floral clusters. First generation. 1. Cut the stem above the 2nd floral cluster. 2. Remove the suckers except for the last one located at the leaf axil just below the 2nd floral cluster. This sucker will form the extension of the stem. Second generation. Repeat the same operations on the new extension. Third generation. The 3rd and final extension undergoes the same treatment. Remove the suckers. Additionally, cut the main stem above the leaf located just after the 6th and final floral cluster. Indeed, the subsequent flowers wouldn't have enough time to yield ripe tomatoes in our climates. Method 2. Pruning to 2 stems. This pruning technique is suitable for high-yielding varieties when early ripening is not a priority. Step 1. Trim above the first 2 leaves. 2 side shoots will develop from there. Step 2. The 2 side shoots have developed into 2 main stems. Remove the side shoots on these 2 stems and cut above the 3rd cluster of flowers. Leave the side shoot just below intact, as it will give rise to a new stem to prolong the growth. Third step. Finally, we cut the stems above the 6th bunch of flowers. Indeed, the following flower generations don't ripen in our climate. Remove all the suckers. Note that this pruning can be simplified. You can just let the 2 branches grow without pruning until the 3rd bunch, up to around the 6th bunch. Then, cut the stem since the subsequent flowers won't produce ripe tomatoes. Method 3. Pruning to 3 stems. This pruning method is suitable for highly vigorous and productive varieties for which early ripening is not a priority. First step. Cut above the 3rd leaf. This pruning will lead to the emergence of 3 shoots that will form the 3 stems. Second step. On these stems, remove the side shoots and cut above the 3rd flower cluster. Be sure to leave the shoot located at the base of the leaf beneath the third cluster. This shoot will extend the stem. Third step. Finally, remove all the side shoots and top the plant above the fifth or sixth cluster. Tomatoes from the subsequent clusters may not ripen in our regions. Note that this pruning can also be simplified. You can choose to let the 3 branches grow without pruning until the third cluster, up to approximately the sixth cluster. At that point, prune the stem since the flowers that follow are unlikely to produce ripe tomatoes. This video is now finished. Just a quick reminder that this is an excerpt from the comprehensive tomato cultivation guide available on my channel. You can find the link in the video description. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please consider subscribing to support me in translating more videos from my French channel. Don't forget to hit the like button and leave a comment as well. Thank you in advance, and I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye.